Hello, this is Kamal Vyas, your Scrum guide. Have you ever noticed the team feels overloaded even when everyone is working hard? There are tasks everywhere, people are busy all day, yet very little actually gets finished. Work keeps starting, but completion is slow. Context switching increases, quality drops, and stress rises. The real problem is usually not effort or skill. The problem is too much work happening at the same time and no clear way to manage it. This is exactly the problem Kanban is designed to solve. Kanban is a method to manage and improve the flow of work. Instead of focusing on plans and deadlines, Kanban focuses on how work moves through a system. It helps teams visualize their work, limit how much is in progress, and continuously improve how work gets done. Kanban is flexible. It does not require new rules, fixed iterations, or big process changes. You can start with what you already do and evolve from there. Kanban works best when work arrives continuously and priorities change often. If your team handles support requests, maintenance work, DevOps tasks, marketing activities, or operational work, Kanban is usually a good fit. It is especially useful when work does not come in neat batches and when waiting for a sprint boundary would slow you down. At the center of Kanban is the Kanban board. The board visualizes workflow from start to finish. Each column represents a real step that work goes through, such as to do, in progress, review, testing, and done. The key idea is that the board must reflect reality and not ideal process. When work is visible, problems become visible too. Work moves across the board using cards. Each card represents one work item, such as a feature, bug, task, or a request. One card represents one unit of value. Cards make abstract work concrete and easier to manage. One of the most important concepts in Kanban is work in progress limits, or WIP limits. A WIP limit sets the maximum number of cards allowed in a column at one time. When a limit is reached, the team does not start new work. Instead, they focus on finishing or unblocking existing work. This reduces multitasking and exposes bottlenecks. The mindset is simple: stop starting and start finishing. Kanban also emphasizes managing flow. Flow is about how smoothly work moves through the system. Teams watch where work is waiting, where it gets blocked, and where it piles up. Instead of asking whether people are busy, Kanban asks whether work is flowing. The goal is to optimize the whole system and not individual utilization. To reduce confusion, Kanban uses explicit policies. These are clear, visible rules that explain how work moves from one step to another. Examples include entry and exit criteria for columns, the definition of done, how blocked work is handled, and pull rules. When policies are explicit, team makes fewer assumptions. Kanban uses lightweight feedback loop to improve flow. These include short daily Kanban meetings focused on the board, replenishment meetings to decide what to pull next, service delivery reviews to look at performance, and regular retrospectives. These meetings exist to improve the system, not to report status. Continuous improvement is built into Kanban. Teams make small, data-driven changes, observe the results, and adjust. There is no big transformation required, just steady improvement over time. Kanban uses flow metrics to understand and predict delivery. Lead time measures how long it takes from request to delivery. Cycle time measures how long work takes once started. Throughput measures how many items are completed in a given time period. These metrics helps team answer one key question: when will it be done? Kanban helps team work smarter by making work visible, reducing overload, and improving flow. I believe this video made it clear what is Kanban and when to use it. In next video, we will try to see how Kanban differs from Scrum.